Welcome to my instant hypnosis courses. Many people feel a little apprehensive when trying hypnosis for the first time. So to begin with, I would like to set your mind at rest by talking you through the procedure. I have included helpful topics in the course, such as how to retrain your subconscious mind. This section is designed to show you how you can change your life by changing the way you think. Your thoughts really do shape your world. I have also included sections on 2 other holistic therapies, which are easy to use and work wonderfully alongside hypnotherapy. These are Emotional Freedom Techniques, EFT, and Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP. EFT is designed to clear any blockages in the body's meridian lines by tapping on strategic points of the body, whilst repeating a setup phrase which is relevant to your problem. It is a form of acupressure and can be highly effective. NLP is a method of training your mind to bring about the results you require, and therefore fits in well with the how to retrain your subconscious mind. We then go through the preparations you need to do prior to your hypnosis session. The first part of the hypnosis is called the induction. This is designed to relax your mind and body. When you are in a state of deep relaxation, the subconscious mind can come to the fore, and we can make suggestions for the changes you would like to make in your life. The main body of the hypnosis session is used to implant these ideas directly into your subconscious. The latter part of the session is the resurfacing, bringing you out of hypnosis and into a full waking consciousness. Throughout the session, you are aware of where and who you are. Hypnosis is a form of very deep relaxation. Finally, there is an aftercare section, which shows you how best to work with the changes you are implementing in your life.